How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we'll be making a hickey video. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So the exercise that we're going to be doing, or not the exercise, we're going to be talking about how to get rid of hickeys. Again, some of my fitness guys watching this, you guys may not like this, but again, it's a very popular topic. I get a ton of questions per day about this. So we're gonna go over this. Again, what I do with these videos is I pick a question from a subscriber and we answer it. So this subscriber wants to know, is the best way for getting rid of a hickey with a coin? Great question. This is what I actually talk about in most of my videos about hickeys. That the coin or the spoon, both are extremely good, and that's actually the best way to get rid of it, is to use a coin. Now, a lot of people will say, well, isn't topical cream better, like rubbing something on it? Topical creams really don't work that well, because to get rid of it, you actually want to put pressure on the hickey area. So for example, let's just say you just got a hickey. Let's say it's about right here on your neck. You're gonna get the coin and you're gonna start rubbing for 2 minutes straight. That's all you're gonna be doing, rubbing for 2 minutes straight. What this is going to do is this is instantly going to get rid of your hickey. 2 minutes, that's all it takes. Again, you can use a coin, you can use a spoon, whatever you have at your disposal. You can use other things too, but in my opinion, the coin and the spoon are probably your best bet to see the fastest results. So again, 2 minutes is all you need to do. That's for about 90% of the people. The other 10% that it doesn't go away in 2 minutes, here's the thing. If it doesn't go away in 2 minutes, it's gonna be very, very faded. So it's gonna be almost gone. So if you do 2 minutes, doesn't work, redo it, do it for 5 minutes this time. So instead of 2 minutes, do it for 5 minutes. What is going to happen then is that it will be completely gone. Guaranteed. And for some reason it's not, do it for another 5 minutes, guaranteed, 100% gone day. What'll happen is your neck's gonna be pretty damn red. So what you have to do is just allow 5 to 10 minutes for the redness to go away. Once the redness goes away, your hickey will also go away as well. So very simple, very easy to do. Hopefully I answered your question, subscriber. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you.